Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to sexual life, and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problems in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his clinic in Thane. So if you are in Thane, if you are in Mumbai or if you are in nearby places, you can definitely visit his Thane center and take his consultation. Let's start the show. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Sure.
And in last few days, we have received tremendous amount of questions related to different shapes and types of penis. And that's why with public demand, you have selected this particular topic. So, sir, first of all, I would like to ask you is, what is traffic cone shaped penis?
Yes. Sumit, in these episodes of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are seeing different shapes of penis. Why we are saying this? Because one must know what is normal. Then they can differentiate what is abnormal and when to go to sexology, urology and andrology. There are 20 types of different shapes we have seen. And in that you are asking traffic cone penis.
Yes.
You can just imagine when you can see on the dividers, there is a triangle. There is small tip over there and at the base it is becoming broad. So this type of penis are there in which the tip is smaller and the base is wider. It is looking like an inverted cone. So such type of penises are called as a traffic cone penis and these are also taken as a normal penises.
Okay, definitely sir, but in such cases, what kind of care that needs to be taken?
Yes, very important. Now those people who are interested in other types of sex, like oral and anal sex, in that case they are very happy with this because the sphincter is very tight, in especially anal sex cases where they require a very easy penetration where they want a sharp tip. And in such a cases with use of lubricant, they feel very much better. But comparatively in a vaginal sex, in a first time, when they are going at the base and if the lubrication is less one, in that cases there are chances of getting paid. But in such a situation, how to handle the condition, definitely we will see in details one by one.
Definitely, sir. We have one caller. Should we take that call?
Sure.
Definitely. We have Rakesh from Udaipur. Rakesh, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Which lubricant is safe to use during sex with condom?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Now they are shifting to lubricant. Now same thing will connect in such a traffic cone type of penis. If suppose they are going for anal sex, without use of any type of lubricant, no one is supposed to go for such sex because normally, naturally, penis and vagina, they have a secretion. At least vagina have a secretion where there is no need of any additional lubricant. But in anal cases, there is no lubrication. There is total dryness. And if suppose they are asking with condom, which type of lubricant they are supposed to use? Why they are asking? Condom is made up of latex. And with latex, if you are going to use any type of lubricant, some water-based lubricant, silicone-based lubricant, in such a cases, the latex is get damaged. And the use of that condom for protection of STI, STD or any other prevention of pregnancy in vaginal sex, that has been lost. So, only one thing I will tell you, whenever selecting this lubricant, in that cases, you have to use polyurethane condoms where you have to use a other type of lubrication like a silicone gel or other lubricant in case of anal sex, and to prevent the damage to the condoms unless and until they consult with sexology, urology and urologists with a routine type of any oil, they should not go for any type of sure and safe sex, because the damage will cause either infection or unwanted pregnancy.
Definitely, sir. There is one more type of
Yeah.
penis which is known as mushroom head penis. So, sir,
Yes.
what is that?
Yes, mushroom head. Now imagine, so the shape can only itself describe. The tip is broad and the stick and the back part is a smaller one. So in such a cases what happens? The head is big and the shaft is small one. So these type of penises as called as a mushroom head. So many times the partners are very happy with such type of penises. But again, what other benefits are there? Some disadvantages are also there. But how to tackle with that? Definitely we'll see one by one.
Definitely, sir. Sir, in this particular case, if activity is going
Yeah.
on, then what kind of precaution, what kind of care that needs to be taken?
Yes. If suppose they are going for the same first time or they are going for the anal sex, what happens? Due to broad tip, the entry inside is a painful. So many times what happens? If suppose the partner is new one, there is a less lubrication. In such a cases, it can hurt also. It can tear the hymen also, or it can tear the anal part also. So only most important care is that you have to take in confidence your partner. You have to ask whether they are getting pain or not, and according to that, either they can use some mild painkiller jellies, which are available with us like HGM HP gels, or they have to go for some good lubricant, and that will prevent any type of injuries or any harms.
Definitely, sir. We have one more caller
Sure.
with us. We have Roshni
Yeah.
from Hampi. Roshni, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Which type of penile and sex position can cause penile fracture?
Yeah, excellent.
Okay.
Means, see, they are so curious, and one should have this knowledge.
Right.
Which type of position and which type of shape
Yes.
causes penile fracture? Slim.
Hmm.
The penises which are slim one, less thickness, length is more. In such a cases, and when female is on top by any wrong direction, wrong hitting, any red position, that causes penile fracture. Second thing, doggy style. When from the back side, without vision, the male partner is trying to hit, and indirectly, without hitting inside the vagina or anus, they hit on the thighs or on the buttock part, and that also causes the fracture. So only one thing I'll tell you, it should be in the light. There should be proper vision and use of proper lubricant. Definitely it will prevent such a type of emergencies and injuries.
Definitely, sir. Now moving, coming back to our
Sure.
question and answer.
Yeah.
What are thick penises?
Yes. Now traffic cone you have seen, mushroom you have seen. Now this is a complete position where from top to bottom it is a thicker one. Means tip is also thick, shaft is also thick, at base is also thick. Means uniform big size penises which are longer than normal and thicker than normal are called as a thick penises.
So, sir, while having sex
Yeah.
with people who have a thick
Yes,
penises,
sure.
does that hurt by any
For a
means, and
partner.
what kind of precautions
To be
that
taken.
needs to be taken? Yes.
Definitely. Why not? See, if suppose they are going for first time this intercourse, or they are going for any other anal type of intercourse, and if there is no lubrication, what happens? Mismatch in the size, or that partner is not activated, there is no proper lubrication, size mismatch, and this person is thirsting forcefully, then the pain impulse is generated, and that time when you are getting pain rather than pleasure, how you will be interested in that activity? So, use of proper lubricant, definitely it helps. Sometimes use of condom and apply proper jelly on that, that is also useful. Either they are going for vaginal sex or either they are going for anal sex, use of proper lubricant will prevent pain as well as unwanted tear as well as unwanted injuries also, and that is very, very important because it is a pleasurable position and it should not be painful either partner or yourself also.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this valuable information. But due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode.
Sure.
But definitely, we'll meet in one more episode.
Definitely.
So, friends, if you want to take Dr. Vijay Dahipale's consultation, then there are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahipale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So, if you are in Thane, if you are in Mumbai, or if you are in MMR region, you can definitely consider taking his consultation in Thane center. Well, friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.